Do you know how many populations of the world use internet nowadays? Around 40% of the world population. Let's look at the diagram. The numbers is increasing rapidly from 1993 to 2014. Therefore, with the advancement of social and technology, Internet seems to have occupied a large percent during our daily life. Internet of Things, cloud computing, computer hardware, and open source cannot be ignored during the development of Internet. Through these important components of Internet, it also can drive improvements of Internet. Firstly, I will talk about the Internet of Things. It involves all of the main factors in Internet. This is a definition of Internet of Things. It refers to physical world can access to physicists Internet world by the network. The increasing population of the users and devices numbers are 75% of the population and 6 billion devices. It's an amazing number. Then, innovation also brings spread pressure to Internet workers. In the meantime, opposite side of the pressure is a huge profit. Then we talk about the key factor to succeed in Internet. Internet creators and managers focus on creating new services to catch the user's eye and connect physical world. And the connection method by using the same languages such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also can bring the production development of Internet. Secondly, we started this item of cloud computing. It is a production of Internet development. Let me explain it. Cloud computing is used to describe the sharing information is provided to computers and other devices which have the authority with a real-time network. Here is some characteristics of cloud computing. For virtual and flexible, huge resources are stored in the servers and are divided into many servers. And you create a cloud. It can be used in anytime when you need them. But beneficial and safe. It is beneficial for users to manage their documents in cloud. Private resources and public resources can be classified respectively. Here is an example of cloud computing. It is a really an efficient technique. Let's talk IBM Cloud as example. It computed and reacted quickly during the 2014 Open Tennis Championships among 2 weeks. It also analyzes over 41 million of data to forecast how players play the success. Now, for the application of cloud computing, these three are very specific fields in cloud computing. Developing PCs, create new business models, work with the collaborative communities. It has a large range. Any fields about data are connected to cloud computing. Okay, next I will talk about computer hardware. Firstly, I have a question. Do you know what is computer hardware? From this picture, we'll see the CD, DVD, hard disk drive, the motherboard, sound card, video card. So, as you know, the motherboard, CPU, hard drive, processor memory, and more are all the computer components. Then, about the relations between the hardware and the software. They operate with each other. Software provides the instructions to hardware. Hardware completes these tasks. Both of them have advanced. Hardware can help software access to the internet. Software can interact with most internet and program things. Like if Apple don't have any video system, its character thinks just like a producer of Windows. And do you know how the hardware operates exactly? Let me explain it by an example of printer. If you want to print something from printer, you need to send instructions to computer and make them connection. However, if your personal computer cannot recognize your printer, nothing happens. The last one I want to introduce is about the open source. The definition of open source is any program whose source code is made available for use or modification as users or other developers see fit. Open source as a station mark is owned by OSI. Users can take advantage of open source to share the free available resource. The purpose is to make more people use the free source help their working or studying. Open source has an important factor in a company's operation. For advantages, open source of a company can lower the risk of the suppliers. In addition, it can help companies save money because the source is free. For disadvantages, open source is a free platform that competitors also can see the operation of their company. Open source has an not good influence on business, like insecurity, and it is easy to be modified by anyone. Many bugs among open source we and anyone else can modify the open source as they need. So the Internet of Things, cloud computing, computer hardware, and open source, they all have respective functions and influence whatever is good or not. However, they are all Internet drivers to improve the process of Internet. Thank you.